Hello, this is me back with Adobe Photoshop CS6. In this tutorial I'll be teaching you to use the blur tool. The blur tool can be used for various different things. For example, blurring hairs, you can use it for blurring hard shadows, you can even use it while using the clone stamp tool. So we're going to unlock our layer first, which is over here. Remember, double click on the lock symbol. Then you can give your layer a name. Don't change any of these, and we're going to press OK. So now we are going to zoom in on her eyelashes, because I'll teach you to do the eyelashes today. Let's go out one, remember pressing the Alt key and clicking. And now we're going to come up the left toolbar to the picture of a water droplet just above a picture of a magnifying glass. So we're going to select that. Now you want to come up here and select your brush size. Thickness is probably about good for this one, and you want to use this brush. So now we're going to click away from that and come down here. So now we're just going to click and drag instead of using the Alt key for taking a sample like we did with the clone stamp tool. So we're going to click and drag, and as you can see, it's blurring her eyelashes nicely. There we are, that's that one done. Now we'll do this side. Click and drag. As you can see, it's blurred them off quite nicely. Now we're going to come back down the left toolbar to the zoom tool. Click it, hold down the Alt key and click out. And as you can see, a little bit of softening on the under eyelashes is actually quite a nice effect. So if you're touching up photos, I would recommend doing that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that big subscribe button and give it a good thumbs up.